Well, you've probably heard about NASA's plans to send a crewed mission to Mars in the decades ahead. But you may not know that a Mars mission is already underway right here on Earth.
Bradley Blackburn reports on the crew now in the middle of an important experiment.
The Johnson Space Center in Texas, inside a large hangar, 4 volunteers are living like they're on another planet. The mission, called Chapea 1, began last July, a 378-day test of what it will be like when astronauts are on Mars.
At times, we very much feel like we're away, in some distant place.
Some people think that this is crazy, but for me, I've always wanted to make a contribution to spaceflight.
NASA 3D printed a Martian habitat and even mimicked the red soil. They're testing how to live with extremely limited resources 100 million miles away. Grace Douglas is running the mission back on Earth.
We might also have to send a lot of the supplies ahead of the crew, and in this case, we might not be able to send preferences for certain things like food.
Even though the crew members are right here in Houston, communicating with them is a challenge. There's up to a 22-minute delay to send signals each way, just like it would be if they were actually on Mars.
There's a bandwidth limitation as well.
Crew members recorded responses to our written questions, but they mostly email with their loved ones and with Mission Control.
The crew is actually really innovative and adaptive and troubleshoots really rapidly in times where we can't get an answer back from Mission Control very quickly.
With surveys and sensors, NASA is monitoring their physical and mental health too. There's an emotional toll of isolation, and they are eager to get home.
Definitely looking forward to a jump in the ocean and then drying in the sun.
I miss my partner, I miss my family, I miss my friends, and I'm so looking forward to seeing them.
A crew making a real sacrifice on Earth so man can be ready for Mars. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News at the Johnson Space Center.
This